हेलो एवरीवन, टुडे आई शेयर अ सीक्रेट ऑफ लॉन्ग हेयर। पहले मेरे बाल इतने छोटे थे और अब मेरे बाल इतने लंबे और घने हैं। दिस इज़ द सीक्रेट ऑफ माई हेयर, लेट्स वी मेक इट। सो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू टेक अ पैन, take coconut oil, then add rosemary, methi dana and long. Let them boil like this and then stain it. In this oil there is a high protein and the long hair and growth properties in this all the items. Must try this and you can get the result. I use this oil for many months. So here the oil is ready. You have to apply on the roots, on the length of your hair, just like this. You have to do massage also. Do detangle with your finger like this. I use this oil from last 3 or 4 months and my hair becomes so long. Must try it. And do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. I hope you like this oil and must try it and let me know in the comment section. So after applying oil, you have to wash your hair with your favorite shampoo. So look at the shine after drying my hair. Just wow. Just try it and let me know in the comment section.